Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, starting with the name of Allah, which is specially merciful and entirely merciful. Today I will review the openboard, a free applications for teacher to teach online. Let's begin our review from here. This stylus is a button to appear the tools, which is shown in the bottom here. Here, to off and on. The next thing is color. When you have selected, so you have only here the 5 colors: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the 5 colors which you can use for the writings. The line tool here show the thickness of the writing, like the thickness with which you are comfortable to teach. The next button is about erasers, a 3 level of erasers. By clicking on first ones, so your eraser will be small and difficult to erase. On 2, so your eraser becomes big, and on 3, this is the biggest eraser available on openboard, which will erase your writing easily. The next thing is background. So you can choose your background from here: white, black with lines, and here you can choose, here arrange the lines according to your requirement. Normally I'm using this one for teaching, and my line spacings are, I'm comfortable with this one. The next button is, as you know, used for the undo, and this is for the redo. If you are teaching a class and want to explain something, so you can add a new page by clicking only on it. Everything becomes erased. Let me close the background tab. So let's see if I'm writing something here and the page becomes full. So I will click on this. So now I will have the third page. And how can I select the pages? So from here you can select the pages. Now page number 1, page number 2 and page number 3. And here you can also select the previous page and the next page. If you click on this erase button, so each and everything which is available on your page will be erased immediately. Like, let me click on this, everything is erased. Getting my points? Now it's come to this small toolbox or line tools, the tools which are in the line. The first thing is pencil, you can write. The next is erasers. It is available here, eraser. The size of the eraser can be selected from here. So the next is highlighter. If you wanted to highlight some things, so you can use the highlighter. If you wanted to point out something, so now you can point out like this. Means to say that if you something have in the writing, so you can choosing it by writing. Getting my point? By reading and by pointing out the line which you are reading. The next thing is hand. Through hands you can move your board like this. The next is zoom in, and this is zoom out. Let me zoom in. The next is a highlighter, but it will change its shape into a razor like this. Now you can read and you can point out from where you are readings. This is an easy tool for drawing the lines. Getting my points? The straight lines will be drawn if you are using this ones. This one is entering for the text. You can add text here, but we are not adding text here. Let me add some text. So these are the size buttons. These are the colors, which I will not mention in details. I'm not using it frequently. And a few more options we have here, which you can explore by yourself. The next thing is is just like a screenshot, I think. Yes, indeed it is. So you can explore it by yourself. Okay, add to the current page by cutting or by highlighting the D. So now it's asking the options: add to the new page, and add to the library, which you can add to the library, but I am not using it right now. And this is the keyboard where you can type the text easily if you wanted to type. Okay, so it is easy. It is easy for everyone to use. I think it will take approximately 1 or 2 days from you to get fluent by using it. Okay, next we have the board option. Let me minimize it. Now we have web. So here you can explore the stuff from the website. Let me choose the highlighter. Yes, here I'm talking about this. This is the documents. If you wanted to insert the documents in the open board and then wanted to explain it, so this is an option for you. But as we are using it not for that purpose, normally we can use a screen recorder for that purpose. So I'm not going to explore it anymore. The next button here, okay, is for showing the desktop. If you wanted to write something on the desktop, so you can use it for that purpose, like pupils using it for screen recordings when they are explaining something, when they have opened a notes, a book, and they wanted to read it and explain it. For that purpose you can use it. Now normally you can erase it. Now by clicking on this, you will have your open board back. The next thing is open board. We have page size, cut, copy, paste. These are the normal options. We can say hide the open board, sleep mode, at open tutorials. So it will have a tutorial. You can watch it. Preferences. It has some options for setups. And here we have the podcast. The podcast is used for the purpose that if you want to record the screen recording, but I will not recommend it to you because my experience using the podcast is not good. So this is the overall view of an open board software, which is free of cost and a great effort from the developer to help the pupils who are teaching online. So overall, if I say, the open board got 9 by 10 for the teachers who are teaching online. Tried it, and let's share your review about the open board. Thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.